Chapter 2: Managing Files and Folders. Contents in this chapter: Special features of Windows 10, Desktop, Start button, this PC icon, File Explorer, to create files and folders, rename a file or folder, properties of file folder, to delete a file or folder, shortcut. A system software is a software which helps to make the system function. We know a software is a basic requirement to run a computer. The software using which a computer can work and interact with the user called operating system. The most commonly used operating system is Windows, which acts as an interface between user and the computer hardware. The first version of Windows 1, which was released in 1985. Windows 10 released in 2015. Windows 11 is released in 2021 and is the latest version of Windows. Fact to know: Windows 11 is the latest version of Windows operating system. Special features of Windows 10. The salient features of Windows 10 are as follows. 1. Start menu. Microsoft has included Start menu back in Windows 10. When you click on the Start menu at the bottom left corner of the window, two panels appear. The left panel displays a menu of programs and the right panel displays recently and most used apps. 2. Cortana on desktop, a voice-controlled digital assistant called Cortana in Windows 10. With the help of this assistant, you interact with the device through voice commands. For this, you need a microphone. It can also help us to launch PowerPoint presentations just by commanding the PC to do so. It can be used to send an email while you are working on a spreadsheet and makes multitasking much easier. 3. Xbox app. Windows 10 allows you to play Xbox One game on your PC or tablet. Using Xbox app, Windows 10 supports Xbox game streaming with improved speed and graphics performance. 4. Microsoft Edge browser. Microsoft Edge has replaced Internet Explorer with Microsoft Edge in Windows 10. It allows you to surf the Internet and web pages easily. An inbuilt feature of Microsoft Edge, called Cortana, helps us to do things in a better and easier way. 5. New looks. The appearance of Windows 10 has changed to a new and attractive blue highlighting features. It helps you to see new pictures, graphics, styles, themes, and work in a new and improved environment. 6. Windows Store. Windows Store is available in Windows 10 that contains a lot of paid and free apps, games, or movies. You can download free apps and also pay for the paid apps as per your needs. Desktop. When you switch on the computer system, the operating system is loaded in the computer's memory. The first screen that appears after the operating system is loaded is a desktop screen. A desktop contains of icons, shortcuts, folders, desktop background, taskbar, and various apps in the computer system. Start button. A start button appears as a small window icon, is used the most number of times on the desktop. When you click on this button, a start menu appears consisting of two panels. The left panel shows the list of various programs which are used to open a particular application, power button to shut down or restart the system, and the most widely used applications. The right panel shows the most common and recently used applications like Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Xbox, Microsoft Edge, etc. You can open any application by clicking on it. Left panel. Right panel. Start button. Fact to know: a wallpaper or background is a digital image used as a decorative background of a graphical user interface of the screen of a computer. Shortcuts to set background by right-clicking on desktop blank area. Personalize background and select a picture. This PC This PC icon provides easy access to various file management and storage functions. It shows various drives and other folders. You can see the contents of hard disk, CD, DVD, or other external storage devices. This icon gives you a chance to view each and everything in your computer. When you double-click on this icon, this PC window opens as shown. It displays two panes, left pane and right pane. A left pane contains the list of icons or folders in a hierarchical format. When you click on a particular icon or folder, the list of its contents are opened in the right pane. Right pane shows the contents of an icon or folder which you have selected in left pane. It provides you a detailed view of the contents related to the selected icon or folder. A search box, which is available at the top right corner of the window, allows you to enter the name of particular file you want to search for. Fact to know: C drive represents hard disk drive, and E, F, and G are the partitions of hard drives. D is used for DVD, and H drive is used for external storage drive like pen drive. File Explorer. A file explorer is a software program in Windows 10 which gives you the complete information about files, folders, and drives. It allows you to access, edit, manage, and organize the files and folders. It gives the option to view the files and folders, create new folder, copy or move them or remove it, and so on. Open File Explorer. Step to open File Explorer are 1. Click on Start button. 2. Select File Explorer option from the list of apps displayed. 3. The File Explorer window will be opened. 4. This window looks like this PC window in appearance. 5. It displays two panes, left pane and right pane. 6. Left pane provides you a list of icons, files, and folders in hierarchical format. 7. Right pane shows the contents of the file or folder you have selected in the left pane. Files. A file is like a digital document that you can create and save on your computer. It can be used to record data, text, or numbers. You can use the files by the name given to it. A file can be opened by double-clicking on it. Create a file. You can create a file in any software program, like the most common method of creating a Microsoft Word, Notepad, etc. Let us create a Microsoft Word document. 1. Open Microsoft Word 2016. 2. Select a blank document. 3. Type the text in a document. 4. After completing the work, file needs to be saved. 5. To save a file, click on File, Save As option. 6. Click on Browse option. 7. A Save As dialog box appears on the screen. 8. Choose the location where the file is to be saved. 9. Type the desired name for the file in File Name text box. 10. Click on Save button. Folders. A folder is like a digital container for organizing and storing files on a computer. A folder within a folder is called subfolder. To open a folder, double-click on it. When you open a folder, you can view the files and subfolders it contains. When you click on any file or subfolder, it further opens its contents. Create a folder. Steps to create a folder are: 1. Right-click on the blank desktop area. 2. A pop-up menu appears on the screen. 3. Move the mouse pointer on New option. 4. A list of sub-options appears. 5. Click on Folder option. 6. A new folder will be created on the desktop. 7. It has a default name, New folder. 8. You can give it a new name by typing the name using keyboard and press Enter key from the keyboard. 9. A new folder will be created. Fact to know. You can create a shortcut of folder by right-clicking on it and select Create Shortcut option. Rename a file or folder. You can change the name of the file or folder whenever required. To rename a file or folders, follow the given steps. 1. Right-click on the file folder. 2. A pop-up list appears. 3. Click on Rename option from shortcut menu. 4. The file or folder name will be highlighted. 5. Type the new name using keyboard. 6. Press Enter key from the keyboard or just click outside the text box. Properties of file folder. Properties are used to set the basic attributes of a file or folder. To check the properties of any file or folder, the given steps are as follows. 1. Right-click on any file or folder. 2. A pop-up list appears. 3. Click on Properties option from the drop-down list. 4. A Properties window open up on the screen. 5. From this window, you can check the properties like type of folder, date and time of creation, size of folder, security and sharing properties, etc. Delete a file or folder. You can remove the unwanted file or folder from the computer by following the given steps. 1. Right-click on the file or folder. 2. A pop-up list appears. 3. Click on Delete option. 4. The selected file or folder will be deleted from the desktop and is moved to recycle bin. Fact to know. We can create a shortcut of folder by right-clicking on it and select Create Shortcut option. Shortcut. A shortcut is like a quick and convenient way to access a file or program on your computer. It looks like an icon with a small jump around sign at the lower left corner of the shortcut icon. You can easily open the file or folder by double-clicking on the shortcut icon. Steps to create a shortcut. 1. Click on Start button. 2. A start menu appears. 3. Select the application or program whose shortcut is to be created. 4. Click and drag it to the desktop. 5. The shortcut of the program will be created automatically. 6. Double-click on the shortcut to open it. Summary points. Microsoft has brought the Start menu back in Windows 10. Windows 10 comes with new and attractive blue highlighting feature. Microsoft has replaced Internet Explorer with Microsoft Edge in Windows 10. In computer, the information is stored in a file folder like a digital container for organizing and storing files on a computer. File Explorer is used to provide the details of all the files, folders and drives available in the system. Our folder within a folder is called a subfolder. Rename a file or folder means to change the name of a file or folder. Saving file enables to access it anytime when needed.